I'm about to go into a new dollar store that just recently opened up in our area. They actually started popping up last year in like surrounding cities, and now we have one here, and I figured I haven't gone yet, so this is the best time to go check it out while I'm vlogging every day in April. So far I am not impressed, and it's really hot in here. So if I wore this, would it be believable? They had the larger size cupcake liners like you'd find at AC Moore for a lot more than $1. Not bad. Surprised. That's interesting. They have cornstarch. I don't think I've ever seen cornstarch at a dollar store. Have you? Name brand too. And you know what? I believe I do need some for a recipe that I have, but I gotta check. I'm gonna hold off. I don't know if this is something they carry all the time or a one-time thing, but if I do need it, I hope it's here. Well, that's pretty neat. They have some loose tea. I've never seen that at a dollar store before. Wonder if it's any good. Well, I guess it's one of those stores that it's okay to stop every once in a while. I don't know if I would shop there religiously. I actually have been to it before last year when it opened up in a city about 25 minutes, half hour away from us. We went to go check it out, and it seemed just a little bit better, but I might have bought more now. I don't know. I will link it at the end if you want to go check it out and kind of compare it. But this is the items that I got. I'm laughing to myself that I bought this because I'm obsessed with eyebrow razors, but for some reason this one looks dangerous. I guess I will find out. The next two items was probably a bad decision, but I did it anyway. The cashier said they're decent quality. They're supposed to be like knockoff iPhone AirPods. She said they're, not exactly like it, but pretty close, so we'll give it a try. The charging wire to go with it, which was probably a really bad decision to hook up that kind of expensive phone to a dollar wire, but we're in desperate need of wires right now, and we are going to change our phones, so I didn't want to go and grab anything expensive because I don't know what kind of brand that we're going to end up with. They're going to be iPhones, but I don't know, like, there's different ones, so yeah, I got it. I'm obsessed with little nail clippers, so I grabbed one. It's probably not the greatest, but for $1, I just picked it up. I don't know how much these are if you pick them up at Walmart, but I would think they were more than $1, but maybe they are. I don't really buy frozen vegetables at Walmart, but they did have a good variety of the Walmart frozen vegetables, so I grabbed some, and they're good until 2020, so you got plenty of time. Peas and carrots, fine green beans, and the cut green beans. And they're all pretty good sized bags. 12 ounce, 12 ounce, 12 ounce. Grab these. I don't know if they'll be any good, but I figure they're a nice little treat for Denny, and for me, of course, too. I don't know how good they'll be, but we'll see. This looks yummy. Applesauce with peaches. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a brand name, but let me know. I'm not sure, but I do think it is. Now, this expires on May 25th, but I'm not worried about that. My cream cheeses, they go way beyond the expiration date in my refrigerator, and they're still good, so. And you can always freeze it, too. They had 2 different flavors on the Slim Fast. One was like a royal chocolate, and this one is cafe latte. I grabbed some of their wax paper. I don't know if it's going to be any good. Probably not. It's probably going to be like the Dollar Tree brand. But I figured give it a try, and if I don't like it, then I just won't buy it again. I changed up the colors in my bathroom. I went with a lighter scheme, so I needed new shower hooks. And I saw these there. Now, I know that they're just, plastic, but I don't know, they kind of give me almost like that country farmhouse feel. And my last item was some French dressing. Now, I would not normally buy this if I was going to put it on salads. I think there are just some things, just pay the bigger price because you're going to get better quality. Not in every case, but in most cases. And if you follow sales and you coupon, then you can get it as cheap as the dollar store or cheaper than what you would pay for regular price. But this is just for a recipe. I've been checking the Dollar Tree every time I go, and I can never find French. So when I seen that they had this size bottle in a generic brand, I'm like, it's going to be mixed in with other ingredients, so I don't think it will be bad. So I gave it a try. I'm happy I found this because I've been putting off making that recipe because I haven't had the French dressing, and I didn't want to pay a few dollars for dressing just to throw in with other ingredients. I'm just frugal like that. So that was everything. Let me know what you think about what you saw in store, what I got. Do you have a store like this in your area? Have you gone? Don't forget to check out that other video when I went last year. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.